Imagine a company you've barely heard of, yet it holds stakes in nearly every major corporation on Earth, from Apple to Coca-Cola, from oil giants to weapons manufacturers. It's been called the shadow financial conglomerate and the most powerful corporation in the world. This is BlackRock. Today we're breaking down why it's feared more than most governments. Before we dive in, subscribe to Mr.Bayinvest so you don't miss what's coming next. BlackRock isn't a bank or a factory. It's an asset management firm controlling trillions of dollars of other people's money. But its power goes beyond the money itself. With significant stakes in thousands of companies worldwide, BlackRock can influence their strategy, board composition, and even supplier choices. It doesn't just invest capital, it sets the rules of the game for entire industries. And that's not its only lever of influence. BlackRock is a truly colossal American multinational investment company with headquarters in New York City. It is one of the largest in the world in terms of assets under management, which, according to data for the second quarter of 2026, reached $15 trillion. BlackRock offers a wide range of products, including iShares exchange-traded funds, ETFs, open and closed-end mutual funds. BlackRock stopped being just a financial firm long ago. It became an advisor to entire nations. The company consults governments on economic, financial, and environmental issues, participates in high-level decision-making, and lobbies for its clients' interests. One of the clearest examples came in 2020. That year, BlackRock helped the U.S. Federal Reserve buy up a staggering $750 billion in bonds, effectively becoming a key player in rescuing the American economy during the pandemic. A company that's supposed to simply be an investor found itself inside the government's crisis command center. Every year, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink writes letters to investors claiming that companies ignoring the climate agenda are doomed to decline. It sounds like environmental concern, but critics see it differently. A way to pressure corporations and steer their behavior in directions that benefit BlackRock. Some governments and energy companies directly accuse BlackRock of imposing a green agenda through financial leverage. Under mounting political pressure, the company has already started walking back its ESG focus, shifting emphasis toward financial resilience instead. Meanwhile, BlackRock itself stays deliberately low profile. No flashy ad campaigns, rare public comments from Fink. The company prefers to operate behind the scenes, invisible yet influential. To understand where this power came from, we need to go back to the 1980s. Larry Fink started his career at First Boston and played a key role in creating the U.S. mortgage-backed securities market. He was fired in 1986 after his division lost $100 million on bad forecasts. Yet some argue the very system he built later contributed to the 2008 financial crisis. The irony? During that same crisis, BlackRock, recognized as an expert in that exact market, became an advisor to central banks and governments, gaining the enormous influence it still holds today. Today, BlackRock is aggressively moving into crypto. Through its iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF, the company has been buying up Bitcoin at scale. By October 2025, its holdings exceeded 800,000 BTC, roughly 3.8% of the entire Bitcoin supply. Larry Fink compares digital assets to gold, while critics worry BlackRock could move the market, even trigger price swings to buy in at a discount. There are darker accusations too. BlackRock is a major investor in companies tied to soy, beef, palm oil, pulp and paper, rubber and timber. Reports show it's among the top 3 shareholders in 25 of the largest publicly traded companies, most exposed to deforestation risk, and it's been linked to a significant contribution to Amazon rainforest destruction. iShares is BlackRock's line of exchange-traded funds, the largest in the world. Through it, the company manages trillions of dollars invested in stocks, bonds, and even cryptocurrency, including the aforementioned Bitcoin fund. It's one of the main channels through which BlackRock accumulates stakes in thousands of companies worldwide. Behind the scenes, it's all managed by Aladdin, BlackRock's powerful analytics system. It assesses risks, forecasts markets, and processes data not only for the company itself, but also for dozens of banks, insurance funds, and even governments that pay for access. Essentially, Aladdin is the brain that sees much of the global financial system from the inside. So who really runs the world? Governments, or whoever controls their money? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and subscribe. There's more to uncover.